This is for the walk-in freezer. So I got up on the roof, noticed the line was all froze up, and also the evaporator's not on. Condensing unit out here looks like it's all froze up all the way to the compressor. So I want to go get my heat gun and melt all those eyes and get in there and put my gauges on. And the condenser fan motor is a little dirty as well, so we're gonna clean that out. Turn off the power already, but see if we can get this thing going for them. It's from a walk-in freezer. All right, so wish me luck. So gotta remove these ice here. As you can see, big piece of ice. Try to get a heat gun up in here, but I have no outlet to come all the way up here. So we're gonna have to pry these ice out. That one that popped out that sensor as well. That's not good. Supposed to shut off that. It gets too cold. Yeah. Try it out. Right there. It's coming out though. A bit more complicated than with the heat gun, but it's coming off. So I'm inside a walk-in cooler, going into the freezer. But now I've got the fan back on. I have to remove the whole fan there, the whole evaporator fan, brought it down. One of the motor, this one right here on the right side, is stuck, and also the fuse in the middle, in between the fans, there's a fuse in there that was shorted out. So the reason why that caused that fuse to be overloaded and blown out was this motor. So I still got to replace the motor, but so I got it to turn. This one's running really smooth, and this one running not that smooth, but as far as right now, it's gonna work. I'm just refastening the fan. The condenser unit is not on, so that's what I'm working with right now. Still gotta replace that fan, locate that fan, the warehouse, part house, and when it comes in, I have to come back and replace it. But in the meantime, we're gonna have to let it run so they could keep their food frozen. Alright, so that's what I'm working with. See you later. Take care. Alright, looks like I got off. How much ice was built up. All those ices everywhere. Looks much better. Evaporator is already defrosted. So we're going to close it up. Pressure's still looking good. 404A as well. So we're just going to check the temperature inside the box. The pressure as well. Good. Alrighty. Thank you for watching.